We're all mom tired, right? We have so much going on in our minds all the time, physically around us. We're just burnt out, and I get that. And I 100% get that because I am there all the time. Taking on this program and promoting this digital program was a huge step for me. I'm like, can I really take something else on that's going to need a little bit of mental capacity? Like, how am I going to find the time to do it? But the nice thing about this is that you can chip away at your own speed. Nobody sets the timeline for you except for you. I'm so grateful that I went into this digital program and I can work my 2 hours. It may not be all the 2 hours in one stretch. It may be throughout the day when I have time or when my kids go to bed. And that's become like my me time, is working on this digital program, working on promoting it to make a difference for other moms that are tired. It's whatever you can do. If it takes you a week to set up your system, it took me almost 2 weeks to set up my system just because of life, and we are all there and we're all tired. I get it. But if you're not going to take this step and you're not going to make a difference for your family, nothing's going to ever change. If you want to make a change for your family, you need to slowly take that step. Comment below to comment yes, and I want to help you get started on this journey together.